Trials and temptation in James chapter 1 verse 12 to 18. It says, God will bless you if you don't give up when your faith is being tested. He will reward you with a glorious life just as He rewards everyone who loves Him. Don't blame God when you are tempted. God cannot be tempted by evil, and He doesn't use evil to tempt others. We are tempted by our own desire that drag us off and trap us. Our desire make us sin. And when sin is finished, with us, it leave us dead. Don't be fooled by my dear friend. Every good and perfect gift comes from the Father who created all the lights in the heaven. He is always the same and never make dark shadows by changing. He wanted us to be His own special people, and so He sent the true message to give us new birth. God bless you.